Hey guys, welcome to the second video of that series about affiliate marketing. This video is about getting good training about affiliate marketing, not just random video out on YouTube or Vimeo or wherever you can find any video from gurus. My point here with this video is to convince you to get very good training from renowned companies or renowned affiliate marketer. It's very important. First of all, you will find on the internet many gurus trying to sell you a course about affiliate marketing. You know what? Don't think that you can make $10,000 the first month or even the first quarter. It's not true. Many people will tell you that it's very easy to promote your links, your affiliate links everywhere on the internet, but it's not that true also. One of the first mistake I did when I started affiliate marketing is to post my affiliate links literally everywhere on the web. I was posting to my personal profile, Facebook profile, sending message to my friends. I was posting my affiliate links in all the groups I could find about my niche on Facebook, by example, and it was not working. It's not the way it works. Another mistake I did when I started affiliate marketing is to go with paid ads like Google ads or Facebook ads. Trust me, you will waste your money. Not only you will waste your money, but my account got banned. Maybe the second time I tried to have a Facebook paid ads, because what you have to know is that Facebook is considering affiliate marketing just like MLM, multi-level marketing, which is not permitted on Facebook ads. But even though it's not MLM, Facebook still considers that affiliate links is MLM, which is not. But hey, who am I to fight against that big machine of Facebook? So only when I got banned on my ads account, or I vomited my affiliate links everywhere on the internet, only then I noticed and I discovered that maybe I was doing something wrong, because it was not working. I was not getting any money. So that's the moment I decided to search on the internet to find a good affiliate marketing training. I found one. And the one I found is called the 15-Day Business Builder Challenge from Legendary Marketer. Don't leave, don't run. It's not a scam. Legendary Marketer is really, really, really a good training to learn the basics of affiliate marketing. So even though you probably heard about the 15 days Business Builder Challenge before, either on TikTok or YouTube, trust me, if you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, it is the place to go. It is the place to learn. And the reason why I say that is that for $7 only, you will have 15 days or 15 module of training about affiliate marketing. You will have your personal advisor. You will have email templates that you can use. You will have Facebook ad templates that you can use also. And you will have also access to the private Facebook group of the Legendary Marketer affiliates. So once you complete the 15 days Business Builder Challenge, you can become an affiliate of Legendary Marketer. So you can promote that training also. And if everyone like you buy the course for $7, you as an affiliate marketer can get a small commission. Okay, of course the course is only $7, so you cannot expect to have $50 commission. So, but it's okay. I'm promoting because I want to help people first. I don't care about the commission. On $7 I will make what, $3, $2 and something. So that's not my motivation. My motivation is to help people to find the right training. And you know what? For $7 only, even though you don't make a single penny as an affiliate marketer after the training, it's worth it, because for $7 you will learn the basics of online marketing, which you can apply to literally any other online business in the future. So you pay $7, you get training, and it's for you forever. You know, I found other places on the internet where you can have good training about affiliate marketing, but guess what? It's all people coming from Legendary Marketer. So they are just copying, literally copying the course that they themselves followed with Legendary Marketer. So it's not a big deal. For me, it's a no-brainer. Legendary Marketer is the best way to learn affiliate marketing. So my invitation to you is to invest $7 little in yourself. You know, it's cheaper than buying 2 large coffee at Starbucks. If you want to register to the 15 days business builder challenge from Legendary Marketer, just look under this video. You will find the links to connect with them and register with them. And guess what? To be honest, I personally recommend it. Go for it. Do not hesitate. Remove your fear. Remove your fear that it's a scam or whatever. It is not a scam. It is a business model.